Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mike, the Great Analyst. I'm glad to have you here again. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and like. Thank you so much. Now, today, we're going to be looking at how we can correct date format error, right? Date error in Power Query. So imagine that you have a date table, and when you try to convert to the date data type, you are getting errors. How do you deal with this? Now, let me show you. I'm going to share my screen. All right. Now, if you see now, this is my data, for example. Now, this is looking like, let me load this to Power Query so that we'll see clearly. Control A, I'll go to data. I'll go to from table or range. I'll click on that. That takes me to Power Query straight away. And then in Power Query, now you see that even though this is showing that it's correct, 1204, this is also showing 0410, 1109, 912, but these ones are not correct, right? So the date format of this data is in is in month, day, year. Month, day, year. Now, the correct format in Power BI or Power Query is day, month, year. Day, month, year. And that is why you see that these four are correct, because it looks like it's month, day, it's looking at day, month, year, because month is still 04. Day, month, year. It's still looking like, but it's still looking like it is day, month, year, but it's not correct in the real sense. So how do you correct this? All right. So how do you correct this? So you need to first of all split this data. First, you revert back to what you have. All right. When you are back to what you have, ensure that your data type is in test. Now, when you've done that, now we are now going to split it into three to correct it back to day, month, year, the correct format, because this is not a month. 13 is not a month. All right, 15 is not a month. And that is why we are able to detect that, oh, the date format of this table is not correct. So in some platform, in some tools, this is correct, but in Power Query, it is not correct. It has to be what? Day, month, and year. So we are going to split. First, I've converted to test. Then the next thing I will do is come to transform. And then I'm going to split. All right, split by what? By delimiter. In this case, what is my delimiter? My delimiter is slash. Okay, it has done that for me. If it has not done that for me, I will have come to custom and then I'll pick the slash. I'll click OK. This is split. You can see my data is now splitted into what? Into 3 columns. What do I do next? I will, I can see hour, month, seconds here. I need to remove that. How do I do that? I will click on this and then say extract the first 4 characters, extract the first 4, because the first 4 is what contains my year. So now what do I do next to ensure that I have the month, the day, the month, and the year? Now you remember that this is supposed to be my month, this is supposed to be my day, and this is the year. So I'm going to rearrange it. How do I rearrange it? Now I'll just click on the first one, which is supposed to be my day, press Control key down on my system, press second one, which is supposed to be my what? My month, and then finally the year. And then I will go to merge columns. Now, what do I want to merge it on? I want to merge it using which delimiter? There's none that is going to be my delimiter here, because my delimiter is supposed to be what? Slash. I'm going to press slash, and then I will name it dates, this case. Then I will say okay. Now, my column has now been converted to the recognized date format in Power Query. Correct? So now I can now convert to what? To dates. And you see now that none of this is giving me error. These are common errors that you get in Power Query, and this is how to solve it. I hope you've been able to grab 1 or 2 from this. Thank you.